Hey, namaskar everyone, this is Shourab back again with a new video. So in this video we're gonna learn together the panics and recover function in Golang. This video is going to be very short in length but very informative at the same time. So as it's going to be a short video, then I would highly suggest you to pay more attention to this video because it may seem easy, but it's really crucial part of Golang. You must need to understand and use it in your long-term projects. So let's go and create a new folder for today's tutorial, and I have named it as day 22, and let's drag and drop this file, sorry, not file, my bad, it's a folder, and let's open up the inbuilt terminal, and where I guess you know what to execute here to create a new project. If you're still unaware of it, then okay, let's go and create it using go mod init followed by init. You just need to declare the name which you wanna name this particular Golang project. In this case let's go for PR, which is panic and recover. It's completely up to you, whatever you want to name it, just go for it. Here we go. Let's create a main.go file as well and clear it. For the better viewpoint, I have what is this? Minimize it full screen. Yeah, I have zoomed a little bit so that you can get a nicer view of it. Okay. Right after creating the main file, we need to declare package main and main function for executing all the other codes. They're the heart of Golang actually. Now let's create a fake function which can attempt to read 100 posts, which is actually a fake thing here. Okay, we're not gonna read 100 posts, just we're gonna return something panic here. So here is the panic function. It is a inbuilt function provided by Golang itself. It can occur panic errors. I am crashed during reading 100 posts. This is the error, I guess, that can be learned here. But before that, let's mimic another thing. fmt.println server has started. Okay, and right after that, let's do this error here. What I'm doing, man? So just do it. Oh, my bad. Okay, now let's zoom out a little bit and run this code. Go run the current file. So here you can see it's going to give us the problem. The server started, which is successful. Then while reading this post, it's panicked. Okay, it's panicked actually. Literally, it's panicked. So it can occur in many times, but there might be some new some certain situations where you need to panic manually, and also you need to restart the interest server, and to do that we also need to recover from that panic or crashes too. So to handle it, we can use a differ. Differ, as we know already, that differ always execute at the end of its associated function. So let's create an anomalous function. That's it. And where we have another function called recover given by Golang itself, and it will return any. Okay, so it means it's returning something. So let's do if r, which is recover in this case, a variable right inside it, and if this r is not equal to nil, then we can actually fmt.print ln I am the server recovered from the error, this is r. It means if this recover returns something, this is going to be the error, because recover only capture the errors or the panic errors itself, and it will be here. If anything is here, and it will return to r, and this, if this return to r is not equal to nil, it means r has something. It is a negative expression to get a positive value. So it means actually that r has something in it. If r is not nil, it means r has something. If it is that, then it's going to recover and show us this particular masses. So let's have a look here, and we'll not see any panic errors now. See, it's just server started and the server recovered from error. I am crashing during reading 100 posts, which is this error exactly. Let's remove this defer function, anonymous function, and if you run it again, then you'll be able to see that the panic error just occurred and there is no way of recovering the server. So this is how you can actually recover from panics and create panics manually. So that was it for today. If you like this video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and do like this button. Sorry, my bad. Do share this video with your friends and make sure to like this video as well. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I will definitely help you out there. Thank you. Namaskar. Good night.